it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl, and today I have a fun video. I'm going to show you how to sublimate onto toilet paper. Doesn't that look awesome? So this is a great gift idea for, well, white elephants, a gag gift, or someone who just enjoys a little bit of potty humor. Dun dun dun. But anyways, this process is super easy. All you need is your sublimation printer. That's a given. Some toilet paper and possibly some hairspray and a way to heat it. But I'm going to go over all the instructions, so if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle. Oh, and by the way, these files are available on my Patreon page for my $4 or more a month patrons. So if you'll give me a minute to change the camera angle, I will show you how to make
both of my PNGs open. So we're going to send these to print. Now these files are available on my Patreon page for my $4 or more a month patrons. So we're going to start off with the Ho 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 PNG. So I'm going to go click on that, and then I'm going to go up to the top and I'm going to select print. Now I'm going to go down here to the bottom and I'm going to select Sawgrass Print Manager. Okay, so that's going to open up my Print Manager program, which is how you control my Sawgrass machine. This is just a RIP software. So as you can see, that looks good. Everything looks perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and tell this to print. Now I am going to do the same thing with the Let It Go. I'm going to go up to the top, go to right up here, go to File, Print. We're going to select Sawgrass Print Manager. You can hear my printer going now. Okay. It's going to pull up the same window, and this automatically takes and mirrors my design, and we're going to select print. Now again, you'll use your RIP software or whatever you use to print. This is just what works for Sawgrass. So if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, I will show you how to make it. So as you can see, I have my toilet paper right here on the heat press. I have already cut down my Let It Go design, and now I'm going to take just a little bit of spray adhesive, ever so slightly, and put a little bit on there. That will help keep the design where I want it to be as we're heating it. So we're going to stick that on there, and now this will flatten out the toilet paper some, but that's fine. Hey Google, set a 20-second timer.
All right, 20 seconds.
So we're going to heat
now
this on 20 seconds. Now I am holding this down with quite a bit of force. Okay, it's going to take a second. I'm not going to do both of them on camera because you can't close it all the way, so that's part of the reason why. Okay. Hey Google, stop. Okie dokie. There we go. So let's go ahead and fix our roll a little bit. Look how good that looks. So that's got a nice, good coating of ink. Now, if you are having any issue with any of your toilet paper, you can take and use some hairspray to kind of give it something to grip to, but that's what that one looks like. And then we also have the Ho Ho Ho. Now the Ho Ho Ho, as you can see, I didn't get it on there as even as I wanted the heat press to be, but aren't those absolutely adorable? They'll make great white elephant gifts. They'll make great gag gifts, or someone who enjoys some potty humor. But I guess that's it. If you liked today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that will notify you when I post new videos, which is typically Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But I guess that's it. We'll see y'all later. Bye.